Today I'm making Strawberry-Basil Compote. It's great for drizzling on ice cream and spreading on baked goods. Let's get started by hulling a pound of strawberries. Then we'll cut them in half. If there are any large berries, we'll quarter them. In a medium saucepan, add some sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Whisk it together. Add a quarter cup of water and whisk it together. Add our berries, turn the heat to medium, and cook for about 5 minutes. You want to stir occasionally to avoid burning. As it's cooking, you'll see bubbles form around the edge of the pot. That's how you know the mixture is thickening. As soon as it's ready, transfer the compote to a bowl, stir in some lemon juice and fresh basil. The compote needs to cool to room temperature. This should take about 30 minutes. It might seem thick now, but it will thin out as the strawberries release their juice. It's nice and cool. Make sure you remove the basil leaves before serving. Now I'm going to drizzle the Strawberry Basil Compote over some pound cake and enjoy. You can also eat it with ice cream.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.